SNG provides metallurgical turnkey project solutions for customers worldwide. As a world-leading supplier of metallurgical turnkey projects, SNG has long been committed to customizing cost-effective turnkey solutions for steel production lines for every customer. In this episode, SNG conducts on-site shooting inside the plant to take you through the entire production process of hot-dip galvanized coils in all dimensions. The dormant cold-rolled base coils are brought to life here. The powerful uncoiler feeds steel strips continuously into the production line with stable and constant tension. This is the first station where steel sheds its plain appearance and takes on a brand new galvanized finish. The loop storage system serves as the energy buffer artery of the production line. The loop car travels smoothly and releases steel strips steadily. Its large strip storage capacity bridges production halts and ensures full speed operation of core processes. Entering the 100-meter continuous annealing furnace, the steel strip undergoes rigorous treatment under high temperature and protective atmosphere. Precise temperature control relieves internal stress and simultaneously improves the ductility and mechanical properties of steel. Here comes the ultimate fusion of iron and zinc. The steel strip immerses into boiling zinc liquid and instantly gets coated with a brilliant silvery protective layer. High-pressure air knives precisely regulate coating thickness with exquisite accuracy. The steel strip then enters the tall cooling tower. Under intense air cooling and rapid solidification by mist flow, the liquid zinc coating solidifies instantly, with bright and compact spangles blooming vividly on the surface. This not only endows the steel with an impenetrable anti-corrosion shield, but also forges unique textural patterns of industrial aesthetics. After going through successive transformations, the galvanized steel strip achieves final shaping under the powerful traction of the recoiler. The tight winding of every coil marks the perfect integration of superior anti-corrosion performance and industrial aesthetics. As an outstanding global supplier of metallurgical turnkey projects, SNG delivers customized, professional, reliable and cost-effective steel production lines supported by full process one-stop implementation and delivery capabilities. Choose SNG. Live up to your trust.